Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something I think you'll be stoked. I don't know. Here, let's bring it over. It's rotating on Rotato. Look at that, kids. Yeah. A bowl of top ramen. Start the bidding at $1. But yeah, this is their new top ramen bowl thing. So in the bowl, you get more than just a sachet and a noodle block. Let me tell you. Get. First off, you yank off the lid. You got powder, vegetable, and then the most amazing thing of all time, and I think you'll agree it's got the perfect name. This is flavor sauce. But that goes on at the very end. And here's the noodle block. So you put le vegetable in there, like so, and you take the powder base dump it in right there. And now you want room temperature water up to this little line in here. So I'll see what I can do about that. So water up to the line. And I have the microwave all ready to go. And there it goes. So yeah, what is shaking America? Unfortunately, we're not anymore. That little bout of earthquake action was kind of fun, but very short-lived. So, nothing shaking here. Flavor sauce. For the next couple of days, I'm switching from my normal diet Mountain Dew to that. Mixing it up a little. Brown wine. If you drink Coke or any soda that's that color, it is to be referred to from here on out in your vocabulary as the brown wine. Back in 1995, that summer, we drank a lot of brown wine. Oh my. It was also the summer of Kneecap Rebellion. There might be 2 people on this planet that understand what I'm talking about. Quite a few of the people that would have known what that talk about are no longer with us, which is like, whoa, huh? But yep. But yeah, brown wine's good, and it's Tuesday for me. Got up early, got a couple reviews ready to go, and then started doing my apartment laps. And by like 10:15 a.m., I'd done like 24,000 steps. So my goal is to do at a minimum 30,000 a day, which is kind of a vaulted goal, but you know, whatever. But it's less has to do with like getting tired out and more to do with time, because to do 24,000 steps takes at least 200 minutes. That's like almost 3.5 hours. So like I have people saying like, why don't you just walk up and down stairs? You'll burn more calories that way and it won't take as long. It's like, yeah, but it's not the same thing. I mean, I've had days. Ooh, 1 minute on the clock. It has to sit in the microwave for 1 minute, and then, and only then, will it be removed for a stir and a taste. I don't know if the minute is to finish cooking or to just let it cool down a little bit. Pretty sure it isn't going to cool down much at all, but yeah. And we're already halfway through that minute. So we have bananas. Yes, we can have bananas today. Dr. Pepper is quite enjoyable. And yeah. Mellow Gold is a good album. Odelay is better. Oh, there's the happy song. Alright. Ooh, this is hopping. Yeah, that's pretty good. So the last one of these I tried was the chicken one, which smelled really good, and it smelled like a really nice chicken broth. But I put in the what do you call it? It had teriyaki sauce with it, but I didn't get a chance to try it before that, so I figured I'm gonna try this before I add in the flavor sauce. Yep, I have a feeling this one requires flavor sauce. I think it's integral. Integral. I believe this is a garlic oil of some sort. Garlic oil pouch inside. Alright, let's give this a little stir. Yeah. So I like change up the music for this show every once in a while, and I've taken everything since I first started the show for background music, and now it's all on the thumb drive that's in this weird tubular speaker. I did that this morning. I didn't want to hunt for new music. I just wanted to put all of it on there. Wow, that's garlicky. And I like the oiliness. Yeah. It's got a good oiliness to it. I'm impressed. It's like carrot? Yep. Bell pepper? Whoops, something dark. Yeah, it looks like it's mainly just carrot and bell pepper, which is fine. I mean, it's shrimp flavor. Alright, let's add it to the transitional vessel of love. That's this. Alright. Let's make this soup a meal. So, throw some mung bean sprouts on there. Throw an initial smattering of scallion. Then lots of shrimp. Yeah. What else? What else can we do to this? I don't know. I'm gonna go. It's troubling because I keep using the light colored sesame seeds so much, but I don't think the black ones would look all that great on here. I got some. Oil it up a little bit more. Spicy oil. What else? How about some pepper flake? Yeah. Give a little color and a little heat. I think we're probably good. Is this good? Yeah. Let's do this. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Nissin Foods USA. They sent this stuff directly to me. Pretty rad. And, yeah, you should start being able to find this all over the place. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.